Hello, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into Ecolab Workday account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in Ecolab Workday and then click on enter. After that, find this link which is of myworkdayjobs.com and click on it. After clicking on that link, you will be redirected to another home page which is of Ecolab. Now at the top right corner, you will find sign in option. Click on the sign in option. Now type in your email address and password. After that, click on sign in button to log into Ecolab Workday account. Also, if you want to create new account, click on this link, and if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instruction to get a new password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.